Hello, once again, I'm Jeffrey with Habibi's Home and Habibi's Durable Medical. And yes, it might look today like I had a really rough 4th of July, but today we're going to talk about wrist braces. The regular wrist brace and the wrist brace with spica. Now, our wrist braces that we get, these are from Ovation, and they have a couple of features. They have the VersaFit, and what that is this piece right here that allows this brace to adjust to your arm particular, and it makes it so you don't, this is the off-the-shelf brace that you don't have to have custom made. So it reduces the cost to people to get this because it does fit everyone and it fits with a nice snugness to it. Another couple of things with this, it's got the brace in here that holds your hand steady. Now these are used for carpal tunnel. And as you know, carpal tunnel affects your hands and your tendons in your arm, and they become inflamed from overuse. So this stops your hand from dropping at the wrist and keeps your tendons in the arm from acting up. A couple of nice features about this particular one that are not in your standard off-the-shelf brace. Number one, it's got nice form fitting, so you got a lot better dexterity with your fingers and you can pick things up. The other thing is it's got a very small space between the thumb and forefinger, allowing you to do things that you need to handle with dexterity. Now when I have people put these on, generally I have them start with the middle portion of the brace, go to the back side, and then go to the front. Now you don't want this on there too tight, but you just want it tight enough that it keeps your hand nice and steady and immobile. All right. The next, this, like I said, is for carpal tunnel, and we do sell these online. We'd love to sell you one at gohhm.com. Next, same kind of brace, but it's got this addition. This is called a thumb spica. Now, this is a thumb spica is sometimes called a gamekeeper's or a gamer's thumb, and it's caused by overuse of the ulnar ligament in your thumb. And what happens is the ligament there and the tendons in there become inflamed from overuse, much like carpal tunnel of the thumb. And so this immobilizes it. And the nice thing about this particular model is the spica comes way up and you have 360-degree immobilization of your thumb, meaning that any damage that you might do from moving this is going to be mitigated by that. Once again, it has the 3 belt Velcro tightening system on it. And like, start with the middle, go to the back, and then go to the front and form fit it to you. On the thumb, you have one little piece of Velcro there that fixes right here on the strap, nice and tight. Again, you have this little panel in here. This is fully adjustable. It's actually a piece of metal. I believe it's aluminum that's in there, and you can bend it up if you need to force your hand further up, cock your hand further up, so to speak, or let it come down a little bit. This wrap also has the special VersaFit on the side, and that makes it very excellent for immobilizing the wrist and the thumb. One other nice thing about this, and this is actually a pretty darn big selling feature when we speak to people, because oftentimes people are in the middle of their treatment for carpal tunnel when they come to us to get a new wrist brace. The reason they're coming to get the new wrist brace is, well, other wrist braces stink. This model has fabrics in here that are somewhat antimicrobial. They resist dirt and they don't get stinky like the other ones do as quickly. Over a long period of time, all of these are probably going to get a little bit of stink to them, but this particular model is much more durable than that. So we appreciate your time today. We hope you'll go to GoHHM to find us, and we'll hope you'll subscribe down below. And please, if you want to see another product or another piece of medical equipment out there, give us a message and send us a like. Thank you.